When I was gonna start a new video, suddenly my account got banned and this guy on Roblox named SPEDRUN123_32. He gave me pollinated fruits and also big respect to that guy. I will give a moon melon worth 500 meters plus. If I hit 25 subscribers. And I forgot to record yesterday because my phone has low battery. And before the video starts, make sure to like and subscribe. For more giveaways. And enough yapping, let's get to the video.
Volkswagen, das